American Electric Power, AEP, is increasingly replacing traditional grass seed mixes with native plant seed mixes for land restoration after power line construction. Once established, the dense, deep roots of native plants inhibit the growth of invasive plants like trees from growing in transmission line right-of-ways. Invasive vegetation on power structures creates outage and safety risks. The native seed mixes being increasingly planted by AEP include pollinator-friendly plants. In 2017, AEP and the Electric Power Research Institute, EPRI, joined forces with the Dawes Arboretum in Central Ohio to conduct ongoing research on the benefits of native plants in the Power Line Prairie Project.
AEP recognizes the importance of keeping trees out of the right-of-way. We are in these areas by easement, so we want to be mindful of the property owner's property. So what a better way to plant it better and smarter with using native seeds. We're seeing some promising results on how it impacts some of the initial tree growth after construction.
Our partnership with AEP is really unique in that we came together understanding that we had mutual goals of creating a more sustainable future. It's really a win-win for us to collaborate. We were interested in working on a real-world project. And so what we did was replicated the kind of conditions that are created when, for example, construction would be taking place on a line. And typically what has been done for years is to use a non-native, potentially low-diversity seed mix that would simply provide cover. What we've found through our research is that by seeding a native seed mix that has a diversity of species that are deep-rooted, it actually has the ability to conserve soil and water resources, while at the same time providing more benefits to the very species that depend on these ecosystems. Pollinators, birds, bees, and butterflies all have more floral resources, shelter, food, and can reproduce in these habitats once those floral resources are provided. The Power Line Prairie Project wouldn't have been possible without our collaboration with Electric Power Research Institute. EPRI has been a fantastic partner. We really appreciate that they have been able to communicate the outcomes of our research.
We've learned a lot and can make the business case that it is a viable solution for post-construction restoration or revegetation.